Ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
And will be on power, will be in power forever. Kwasi afọ when a friend was away as of what Jimmy. Mukono no kwasi a drugs in we are. Mama yan classic for the betrama so dem wa. Na mu timi da down na tom. Na mu de oil we dinko for yere fam. Na mu so mo ya so for one betra. Me se mo pa mo try. Yaka mo sa so for no. You be the target in this country. Mo pa mo try. So mo tima ya so we Ghana kuruma mi atia. Sikani etwane ati chama mo nyina. We have all the informations. We are quietly sitting and watching you guys. We are watching your steps and movement. Hey. Mukoko trans Captain Smart Jimmy Fonoa never pakotu mukan kaisa yi klasini onim se de sheko to kra sheko tan bia to ma papa so family graduation be bia wi ase draft na wo school wo ti wi na ko trans station wo na wo dwo onum se no oba be di president mununku mu abi nti onko hu je ekufo ansa na mununku mu ato he Roger maso obi ansuro Ghana kromu awo mo propaganda na mo de ba Ghana kromu na yentwema mo da ye be kan adua kire mo Bebia mu pebia mu fayenko. Se mu obampo ayenso your obampo. Hey, nobody's fucking scared of you people. And mo propaganda na mo de ba no. I'm telling you. Bukofa Christo ni besi so den asi. Bamud ba mi vice president. What is what 1 billion kra kokoto pardon da. And so Christo ni na mo sie so nyankopon na de na ba se wa koma pa no. Otima hwe Ghana fo anim e wo bra enkora de da fam woni krom. Ne twie ne krom fo bole fo na no musuo. Breko na ne bole fo no musuo. Watam 3 trillion akoto pad. So chichama school for na president mo gina wiem na ototo pad ni ko wiem. Esu jimie na esu adwene na so nyansa. You can never compare yourself for the Danko Akufo-Addo. Movement Akufo-Addo be Ghana Kuruma, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Adjoma ma yam 50 years na kunya so ultimate je foko. Because you hu sa no adwuma da obetena so hu be pia sense can fire bridge back up aye okurumwa. De pia na wa yam Ghana fo. Ikaneti watam Ghana fo sika na da chichama journalist for no am position so Ghana Kuruma. Ana mu nyina ye din. Na me say wodo. MPP ye da techem ye da fom. Ne ye kakra fentemprem. Ye be fia techem ne sim konkonso. Ne nso to wi so no nyankopon dum no bo wi agu so ne ho wa ya no so be wo na mo beti yanka Ghana Kuruma. Kwan ya mo de Ghana fo fa so. What to electricity be 3-4 times just last month. Mo to electricity mo secret na man fan ko parliament man kan chiro bia mo de 6% e wura mo secret. Because they say me to 200 Ghana cedis 3 days na sir. What do you people mean? Mo person mo chine say Ghana Kuruma say then ye nya Ghana Kuruma. Who to credit 200 Ghana 3 days na sir. And now obi hu sa man for fie light na dundun bebre no a obi fe say edum so omu nya sika nto prepaid engu on meter so no with that some secret e fire this for o ma come na watum omu timi kasa bronya mu ne ewura December 1st year pa Akufo-Addo ba Ghana e be di akunya ne first year first 3 months no run free education system ni de December ewura December timi say bronya yedi and na me no kasa you December me so sheda na shoemaker kra bom popo mpabo ate pa da hopa se be ya betim na tan ma no kra ma no be 2 cedi kra na ya because it's can be no kra no akoko 2 cedi ma shoemaker no shoemaker bom po o bola timi ye mapa ofi na bola ka ba be si wono pai na bola si fi untimi ntam kra no ama no 5 cedis so on fantum bola no timi si o kitchen a be na wo hwe me boa mo nka se me boa masi ato pipe mbu abe busumi na ye nyansu na masa de water bill asa brand ni ase atua hey. Now, your mama no went this for move as much Ghana for saying because you're Jimmy on. I mean, when you mamma diao, yamu papa diao, a young quasia foot na to about mamma. 4 million people net to Mama MP before who said no, a Juma Baumiani Dr. Akufo-Addo, and now the Danko Akufo-Addo about Ghana Kurumano. Necessary, some Bonabasso and Tuano. Till the third term, Nipa 4 million and 2 Bamano. Your mama, when you send account, you only appreciated by 150,000 votes. It tells you that Ghana for doesn't like you. The fact that they got angry with the MPP, you know, I move 150,000 go to Abama, should tell you something. So you are sitting on tenterhooks. You are not the favorite. Oh, Ghana Kuruma, journalist if you I pam why you operation, I pam the plaster afafa, I pam ton am Ghana for 1 billion am hunradian. They say na do mama me we compare Mahmoud Bawumia vice president. Then Sanu Juma on the record wall. Be pia da ho bia ni mo Ghana Kuruma say papa we e dini jina na ka say Ghana hye ne sa so onye ya o bo adwuma ma na so Ghana fo nyina ni ye nim say do tie na ho brase the leadership skill or leadership quality no or skill no or the entrepreneurism na won insa no where he connected he's fixed when it comes to governance He's been under Dankwa, who has the 40-year experience in politics, and that J. Kufuor, who has equally 40-year experience in politics. Such a person who was our former president, Mienu and Temwa. Where some ketwa a full heavyweight like Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, not gonna former bypassing. Mako to Abama Ubu trap to watch the Ghana for. Some Bamba LGBTQ. Or by us, I'm a drug for the woman and sent the Besako Parliament. We try to suffer. Now, so for motive to Muntimin Casa, which is a castle of Makuan, what to Maji envelope. Mrs. Unyaku Pum or Hamu. Me catch them or Hamu. Munina, my dear Ghana Kuma, Maji Jashamo, the Becau Bia, a count into account too. What but destroy education? Must free education, yeah, papa, with quality education. But by then, I would account quality Munkaniti. Mobile, then quality among Kanyanti. Common chalk you cannot even provide. Go to the schools. All students like myself has to go to the schools and buy them fat pens, markers to be teaching the students. You don't provide it for the school anymore. Bibia, as all students, I say, yeah, fix it up your schools. What is happening? The delegates for Namikajo, someone missing Dr. Mahmoud Bami and Nako Pen. Yes, I did not come Daruma, or to about 90%. The Bibia record and now that Chinchilman about to say, yes, Dr. Mahmoud Bami had 90% that demand MPP. The first one, 60 something percent. Second one, most man 19 young go too many fears for them because almost destroy my own, bro.
And to me, you need to. And I make us say, and any 4 days, me or Hanuman and Minya call it by if you know. Not some Nessaya. Or see MPP platforms to be so Kasoa a fake. And I'm so fake media maki can be but nipa na or no kasa no. So MPP platforms so there you could have also told you say I'm a lawyer. And to me say one fa you can say who evident. Any nipa ko kan ye na nkyere me ye exhibitor. I won't answer you. And okofa a screenshot of my conversation on UCC Tescom platform at the buy. The conversation is suggest say Makase he is fake and a rapist and God will punish him for what he did in 2009 at the University of of Cape Coast. And to a car yana na me say o eyampa matro niama bebre afa ho a enya bone am wo evidence but wait there mami 1 minute na me check me ko check platforms na me hu say eyampa na so eyampa na emom no. Say how me baby amadu no I am not ready say enema atwam no me ne nkrofo betwe ho manso ti me I will not go into the merit but say how sa platform ne so ano nipa o send man e chese anya ne de metimi akọ apologize wo ho na ene ohun ato every one man unim say me do kokko to ase ni say and I'm catching say then that was the wisest thing you supposed to do because you can a close WhatsApp platform. It is unethical for anybody to take a screenshot and send it to someone who is not part of that platform. Mami de me article. Matro afa a close WhatsApp platform. So if people were not down there now mutie American. Na bibi ba akumienu bi na obeti ya. You cannot come and take me out of context. Eti me can we na me catch and say the wisest nese ka hu ne say. One, you don't qualify say your platform so as a mobile beka bi because on ka ho. Me san catch and say nukure ni so pani kura ni wa ye no wonachi. But if I were you, I advise am de be man say me platform am ni so no. So bi ko ka ho asem de be catch them ya. Me say even a WhatsApp platform so kura no say a TikTok platform so obi ko didi matem wo baabi na me ni ho na be catch them ya me so ne so da. Because be am wo ho anka sa asem no ntimi nka. So what I said is I had wanted to take this in lightly. But I am coming to Ghana on 24th December. And I will be there till the 2nd week of February. Prepare and I dip me and Kasame Ghana number. Any me fear a what a Ohusu answer. And a man is say, Uncle Court on quiet sermons, don't fan coho. Said ya me bagana will be home. Oh, I know so me bagana, and I'm cut as a mind you. Minimum samucha a boys emenipa but me ko fidie guy G na nkasa na no sandy we ne ka chiro enti na mama ade na to so no onim se utwa wo boys ba me meche wo boys na display o ma di wo boys na chi asen abefo waka ho enti get this thing in mind na emomu no ade esese ohun ni se me nka nchire guy G so mfa me number ama enti sadia na wa ye no kura no unethical and it's a criminal offense which I can even sue him but I know the hu hia me enti menua same way na me kan I never disrespected any prophet enti papa yo was your BB Israel I mean I can't use the word prophet because magia tum say prophet ni hobium has no basis so beba beka say ye ba ye ni ye disrespect prophet na adem prophet the omo nka ho ana it means he never even listened to what I said because me ko tu mrane ma obi ati ase said emre biensi asofo kwan se omo be ye politics enti na se mo be kan say adem say politics aye obonsam adwuma na safo mo ma ye nka bia na ne de mane ma no papa wei onu pese ye frɛ no sofo yo wo ha mi o ha na meka asem o kan ye ne say yemfa Rollins enko bema camp ni yenko kire ni se ne yetutuo na yenkire ni wi num sorry yemfa Mahama na yenkire ni wi num no si kwan so a watimi abobɔ nkrofo asom ena no am full platform no na me kan say no wasam na wo kan no enya de papa now if you think that democracy is expensive try your friend is saying autocracy papa we di team atama ka tia me say manim so otwene edi team atamu anti no amini ni nya akasa kura ekire ne yebom so what you say enti say wo so yourself now this is the way you talk who expect me say me mu so yourself ana the person wo platform we me pese eniamo ho eniema eniya o yi ni nura no o pese o expect say me consider so yourself ana
no
ekaya ka sabi me miserable friends and family o man titi me ye you see enti okaya ka adam ka tire so say am pasa or your service person am pa and you be realize say in the Ghana military no ye man military for kwan mo num wi because it's not allowed so uko be camp kura ye wo wi camp o base o adam ka tire say yes it must be there but amramu na nya ho kwan no enti enu kwan se wo ye ex military person ampa wo betena bonten na okika we masamuani odidi matem wan say me free so no buy the first thing you can say send your god factor ne awrani kasa ye no wan kasa ye na awrani obi yire media me no be obi husband in fact this kind of hypocrisy enti na me I see these people as fake because unnecessary nema o kan ni nurai se na wa sorry baby wo hopa wo tie na sa nipa ne sansi wa sorry dem a me hu sa nipa na me hwe ni mienu enti menua me fa bi nka ho oni ya tro bible no hu se o start ya no ma quotation se Jeremiah 3:28 na se mo ka fa prophecy hu na Jeremiah 3:28 there is nothing like prophecy there enti u be ha me tro se ayi pape hwe quotation ni ye. You cannot even quote your friends and biblical quotations properly. How do you come and upesa ube catch them and say, "Me knew what you saw yourself for"? Enti media mi gusu bi amasia ka say, even tetina no office of the prophet wo no. Who say agwonti ya benchi o say then bedi akwa mo kasa fine. Tetina no mo ho no mo ade ba akwa no mo ye ne say, yes say. Ade a omo ye ne say omo de komadwuma ba akopa ne se ahemfo ne ade a omo wo ho no they will correct and warn the peoples and also guide kings and nations na guide the kings and nations sabi electoral prophecies ebe so omo wo hemfa ebe ka ho we enti menua me de until so obi beba be kokko to bible na ye na ye de ebo ye ho ban as Christians no akira mi baabi a yaka say and then the office of the prophet still exists. Now I catch me say your prophet, no what you are sorry. Meanwhile, say uba even you can say all the 5 members in the unity now. You see a prophet no kra no omo ka ho na sorry ni edimu. Enti untimi nkan tell me say me your prophet na matia sorry. Enti minua Bernardation. Amanfo bi friend say prophet Bernard Nelson. I told him that until the Great Commission Asia, on sign because a prophet won't mean can't say what you are sorry. That alone makes you fake. And Timisiamo, Obia ma medidi prophet bia temo has a name muno. Say we a prophet. Nasa kukram one ferry so better muma soa. Yes, we are Pharisee idea our footro better so. Sabi Bible biblical quotation no say, touch not my anointed, nor do my prophet no harm. Sabi, and yes, anymore, yenim, but Nyankopon mami, ahunim home, discerning spirit. Na minim sa we a fake prophet. You unya nipa sabi, me yo bibi and Nyankopon be yewe. And me shall not misleading crofon. No, I will not do that. And tianone de, ye be kan tu be hwe me catch you say 2016. Now me call 7 TV stations and 13 radio stations. Ma anyi sika o party holder. Me ana na me di me bibi akọ. Enti se me koye sa adwuma we nu mu nyina na ye win elections a. Na akufo ado akofo owuso bempa betena wo se. Owuso bempa ne bompa ye mani win enti se ye enom sa sofo timi bompa ye menkrofo win elections dia. Then we should not do campaign.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Na ye nyawo. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah,
That is the premise I'm free sober. Eti no anu no medam